Actual combat. These maneuvers are neither stunts nor daring feats, but are refinements of basic techniques taught to every prospective naval aviator. Here at Fort Worth, we'll demonstrate these maneuvers at very low altitude, in traditional Blue Angel formation, so that you may see and take pride in the precise fashion in which your Navy Marine Corps pilots are trained to fly. Now, direct your attention to the rack before you. Observe the military manner in which the 6 demonstration pilots approach their aircraft and are saluted by their crew chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer of Flight Unit Blue Angels from Los Altos, California, Commander Ryan Bernacchi. Honolulu, Hawaii, Lieutenant Max Siderhout. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left movement. From McPherson, Kansas, Lieutenant Max Benson. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot. From Sedan, Kansas, Lieutenant Eddie Talbot. From Bloomington, Illinois, Lieutenant Ryan Chamberlain. The Navy's Flight Demonstrations the Blue Angels is the oldest performing U.S. military aviation demonstration team. Since 1946, the Blue Angels have brought naval aviation to men and women of all ages across America. We were first based at the Air Station Jacksonville, Florida, flying S-6